Good morning, first graders, and happy Wednesday. We are on our last packet today, and for the math page, page 305, and we're going to start here with our coins. And so the first one, they've given us a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. So if we add all these together, remember we'll start with our biggest one, and our quarter is worth how much? That's right, 25 cents. So we have 25 cents here. And we can remember our dime is 10 cents and our nickel is 5. So if we add our 25 cents, our 10 cents, and our 5 cents, well, if we start with 25 and we add 10, that gives us 35, and plus 5 more gives us 40 cents. And for the second one down here, we have 2 quarters, 2 dimes, a nickel, and a penny. And we remember that our quarters are 25 cents each. And our dimes of 10 cents. And 5 cents for our nickels and 1 cent for our pennies. So let's add it all up. If we have a quarter and a quarter, 25 cents and 25 cents, then we have 50 cents. Plus 10 gives us 60. 10 more gives us 70. Plus 5, that gives us 75, and 1 more gives us 76 cents. And then number 2, write the sums and differences, and you have a few subtraction, a few addition, and then remember to carry if you need to. And number 3 says write the differences, match the difference with a letter to make a special treat. Draw a picture of the special treat in the box. So we'll start, the first one's done for you, with 11 minus 4 for 7 and I, and you can see that they got that by going across here, 7, and it is matching up with the I. And so let's try 12 minus 7. Well, remember we count up from 7, so we'll count 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we know that 12 minus 7 is 5. And if we look at our paper here for 5, we can see that it is a C. So on the line there, we're going to write a C. And then 12 minus 6, well, let's count up. We have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. And let's see here, if we look at 6, it is an E. So we've done the first 3. And then you'll just have to do the remaining 5 down here, and don't forget to draw a picture of the special treat in the box. And on the next page, it says read the poem, color the picture, and you guys are such good readers that you can read this poem and then color this picture. And number 2, it says count by 25s from 25 to 300. So let's just act like these are all of our quarters. So if we have 1 quarter, it's worth 25 cents. If we have 2 quarters, remember here, how much are we going to have? 2 quarters together give us 50 cents. And if we add 1 more quarter, we get 75. And if we add 1 more quarter, we get $1, which is 100. It kind of looks like $1. And so then we know that we're going to be in the hundreds place, and we're going to have, if we have 100 plus 25, gives us 125, then 150, 175, and 200. And then you can go ahead and do the remainder 3 by yourself, and then we'll get to 300. And number 3, it's to circle the number that is the greatest, underline the number that is the least. So we're going to circle the largest number. We can all see that the very first digit in the hundreds place are all ones. So we'll have to go to the tens place and see which number is bigger. Let's see, we have a 5, an 8, and a 3. And we know that 8 is the largest, so 183 is the greatest number that we're going to circle and underline the number that is the least. So let's go back. If we have a 5 and a 3, we know that 5 is larger, so we will underline the 3. All right, and then you have 1 more to do on your own, and that's all for your math today. Hope you guys have a great Wednesday.